What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, yesterday I made a video about Terra Luna Classic and the reality of it hitting a penny. And I think, some people are game with that and understand that, that it's had positivity since we've really talked about it this year. So seeing that positivity, it's working out for them. But then some people that may be a little bit skeptical, and some that have been holding for a long time that are like kind of on both sides. They're like, it could be this, it could be that, right? I feel like I have cat hair or something stuck on my face. But yeah, I got it. But what we're going to talk about here today is we're going to talk about Terra Luna Classic and the fact that whether you see the hype or you don't see the hype, or you see the volume or you don't see the volume, it is not dead, right? It's not a dead project. It is alive and it can take off at any moment. And we've seen that more recently with the week that we've had. So in this video, we're going to talk about the fact that it's not dead. We're going to give you an update on where Terra Luna Classic is, look at any news if there is any, and all of that. So if you guys could, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. Speaking of that, if you want to check out the sponsor of today's video, FortisX, feel free to check them out. FortisX is a great platform that I've been using for about a month or so, maybe 2 months at this point. And it's been good, right? I have two different portfolios. One that I'm showing you guys that we can look through and see kind of what we gain, and another that's a little bit more aggressive that we can kind of put things in different places. So basically, what FortisX is it's the ability to keep your holdings working for you, right? If you have anything that you are holding in the crypto space, Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, and you've been holding it for a long time, throughout that time period, you could have been making money, or gathering extra cryptocurrency on something that you truly believed in, right? Earn up to 20.98% variable APY, and you can withdraw anytime. You have no lockups. It's built for what I just established, or what I just talked about, which is long-term holders, long-term believers in cryptocurrency. Operating since 2018, so it's been around here for a while. No KYC that's required. Again, withdraw anytime. Public audit reports, so you do know that it's reliable and trustworthy. It's built on trust. You can see how much you can earn if you go over to their website. I will have the link at the top of the description for you guys. But let's say you wanted to go here and you said, I only want to invest about 20,000 in years rewards. You can gain an estimate of $4,500 there, as you are seeing that potential 20 or 21, let's round up, percent variable APY. Now, here's just a glance at kind of my simple portfolio, where I put 100 USDT in here so you can get an understanding. It's a very simple number, very round number. And I've gained 91 cents of USDT rewards. And my next reward date is on the 28th. It's today. So we're seeing that grow consistently. And obviously, if you have more, thousands rather than hundreds, you can see that compound as you go along. So that's what's great about it. I want you guys to give it a look, give it a chance, check it out. Link will be at the top of the description. FortisX, thank you for sponsoring this video. Now, back to what we're talking about. Terra Luna Classic. Terra Luna Classic currently stands at 0.00006204. It is up by 42, or round up, 43% in the last week, in the last 7 days. We're seeing it at a $341 million market cap with $137 million worth of volume. The supply, total supply, all of that still sits around the same. We are seeing some burning that's happening every month by Binance and various places. But we're seeing the supply somewhere around the same. If we can make a major impact to that supply, that would be fantastic. But it's all about the popularity. It's about the potential use case. It's about the community that's around it, and the FOMO that really goes into a project like this. It definitely has its excitement. It has its exciting times in the year, exciting times in the bull market, and when we do see that, it tends to absolutely explode. Now, I received some comments recently on a video that I posted where it was like, Terra Luna Classic is dead, in my opinion. And I totally understand where you're coming from. When people don't see movement, when they see a lack of movement and a lack of the same hype that they've seen before, they tend to think one thing: it's dead, it's over, we're never going to see it again, right? But that becomes their downfall in their investing journey. Not necessarily to say that they're going to fail. They may make money from other positions and other places, but you may now miss out on a huge opportunity. And the reason why is because you say that same thing. Oh, it's down. It's down in the dumps. It's down to a $100 million market cap from a multi-billion-dollar market cap. And all of a sudden, it's dead. That's where your first big mistake comes from. Terra Luna Classic is not dead, right? Let's just say it's a sleeping giant. I've mentioned this plenty of times that you're going to see, once you start to see movement, 50%, 100%, you then start to see many people that notice a little bit more. And when they notice, what happens, right? You start seeing FOMO into it. Then you start seeing more price predictions. You start seeing more conversations. You start seeing more of the community that's coming back into the frame. And, just talking about it a lot more. So that popularity and hype never really went away. It just got suppressed a little bit by the reaction of the market or the way the market was moving. So Terra Luna Classic is not a dead project, right? It has a lot of news. It has a lot of people talking about it, especially as you can see with the movement that we've seen recently. 13 hours ago, Terra Luna Classic jumps 18% with liquidation imbalance stall, LUNC rally. And then you have 21 hours ago, why Terra Luna Classic is trending. LUNC gains 18% with a $115 million daily volume, which we could see $137 million as of right now in the last 24 hours. Terra Luna Classic's price, the LUNC price, live charts, and market cap. They're talking about it 2 hours ago, 4 hours ago, 5 hours ago, 3 days ago, right? You could see the conversation that's building up around it. I'm not even showing you guys. But you can see the conversation that's building within this because you have many people that are now talking about it, that now want to see more and more about this project. That want to hear more and more about this project. But then it also brings in the people that have already been invested into this, right? Been invested into it for a long time. And you see the push, you see the movement, you see the hype, you see the growth in your portfolio. I have 103 million Terra Luna Classic in my possession. And other people will have maybe more. Maybe they got a chance to buy more hundreds of millions or billions of Terra Luna Classic. And I applaud you on that. But Terra Luna Classic is not dead. Has a lot of life left in it. It's going to run. We're going to see, billions of dollars worth of a market cap if we don't end up seeing that level of a penny or even 3 cents. And potentially seeing the supply come down so much that we could see that level of $1. See the reintroduction of the algorithm. To see the repeg of USTC and many other things that could be in this grand scheme of things, this larger scope of what the classic chain could be. It's not just a meme coin here. This isn't a meme coin, right? It's not just a popular coin. It is a community-driven utility project, utility chain. That's the way that I look at it. So a lot of news, a lot of hype, a lot of potential. I want you guys to, give it a look. I'm not telling you have to buy it or have to own it, but don't, take someone else's word for it to say this is a dead project. And also, don't take my word for it to say that it's not a dead project. I want you to take in all the information and end up coming to some sort of a conclusion yourself, right? That's the way you should be doing investing. Don't worry about what one person said. Worry about what everybody said all together, bring it into your assumptions, and then make your decision based on what that is. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. And again, make sure you check out FortisX, in the description and in the comment section. And thank you, FortisX, for sponsoring this video. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.